Watch this short video till the end. Please subscribe, like and share. This is about levels of any stocks, shares or indices. Levels are as important for trading as steps are to a ladder. It is meaningless having ladder without steps or trading without levels. So I am going to provide you the support and resistance levels for tomorrow's trading session. Have a look and use it well. It is going to be very useful. If you need any help, please feel free to contact me. Thank you very much. Take care. Goodbye.